It's an amazing force of nature that can be beautiful to watch, and summertime is the most active time for us to witness bolts of lightning in the sky.
But lightning can be a serious threat, especially to our homes. Here with more is Rusty Wise with Mr. Sparky. Hello, sir. How you doing?
Thank you.
Welcome to the show.
Yeah, good to see you, Rusty. Okay, it's been an active summer already for lightning storms. First off, a little lesson for us. What causes lightning?
Well, lightning happens in a cloud, and it's generally a lot of turbulence when the ice crystals and hail meet, and normally a cloud becomes negatively charged on the bottom, so it's like shuffling your feet on carpet. Your body becomes differently charged, so when you touch a doorknob, you get shocked. Same way with the cloud, as it's moving, it's looking to equalize itself. So it's shuffling its feet up in the air, and it's looking to strike to the ground.
Yeah, and here it is. Lightning is always looking to strike to the ground, so how does that pose a danger for our homes?
Well, every home needs to be grounded. A lot of homes are not grounded. And we check the homes, we go out, and you need a proper ground rod. You need to make sure that your home is properly grounded. Now, we'll be talking about surge, but a surge protection will not work if the home is not properly grounded.
Quickly, is that ground rod, is that just a big metal stake that's put down in the ground? Is that what it's talking about being
If you go outside, generally near your meter base where they read your meter, there's a ground wire that goes down, and there's usually either a pipe, like the video shows, that's a water line that's bad. See, we just pulled it right out of the ground. You don't want that. I mean, really, you want a proper ground rod. If you see a water pipe sticking up, that's probably rusted out down in the ground. So you need to replace that. That picture shows that soda can represents the size, and that's supposed to be 8 feet long, and we pulled it up out of the ground. That's only about 3 feet long.
So how do you know if your home is properly grounded then? I mean, I'm thinking people are wondering
they don't know. There's really no way to know unless you call someone like us to come out and check it, really. Because metal in the ground over time rust, deteriorates. Even a brand new home, they may drive the ground rod, but they only last about 10 years.
So now when lightning strikes, how do we talk about when we're looking at all our appliances, all our television, all that stuff, how does that affect that too? Because I see you got a lot of stuff here.
Yeah, our home is a lot of electronics now, a lot of TVs, microwaves, refrigerators, washer dryers. These are devices. The first I'll show you what people misconceive as a surge. This is a general strip. It has a reset button, but this is not a surge strip.
Just not a surge strip?
No, this is just a power strip. A lot of people say, oh, I have one of those. No, this is just a power strip with a reset button on it. Unless it says surge protection, it is not a surge protector. Now, I'll show you one that is a surge protector, and it's got a grounded. It tells you if it's grounded or not. And this is a surge protector strip. And there's others like this one. It's a neat deal. It can go behind the TV. It swivels. So these have MOVs, which are metal oxide varistors. They're constantly monitoring your home and the spikes that come into the home. And if it goes over a certain voltage, it sends it to ground. But without a ground, these do not work.
So quickly, if I had something connected to this one that you had first, a television, if it gets hit by lightning, it could blow up my television.
Yeah.
If I have it to that one, this one causes it to do what?
Okay, if you get a lightning strike outside at a tree, this thing is constantly looking at voltage. If that voltage exceeds a certain parameter, usually 300 volts in a millisecond, it will send that excess into the ground and save your TV.
Wow.
Save your TV
and
all your appliances. Yes, for a free grounding inspection, call Mr. Sparky at 704-323-8006. Again, 704-323-8006. Or visit them online. It's MrSparkyCharlotte.com. MrSparkyCharlotte.com is the website to go to. Rusty Wise, thank you so much. It's always great to see you.
Thank you. Appreciate you having me.
All right.